Hey guys, I'm Eric.
And Jen's Excellent Adventure.
And it is Tuesday, July 14th, 2026, and we are on the outskirts of Fostoria, Ohio, for one reason.
Cornfields.
No, we're not here for cornfields.
Oh, no, but they're all around us. It's Ohio.
Yeah. No, we're here to see the big boy train.
Yep.
There's a Norfolk Southern train facility about a mile up the road.
Distribution center.
Yeah. So it's parked here all day. So we're going to go and check that out.
Yeah.
We already did see it a few weeks ago when it was heading east.
Through Lakewood.
Yeah, so we got a little video of that, which I'll put up top and at the end of this video down below. So we got to see it as it was moving by.
That was cool.
So now we get to see it as it's hopefully a little bit closer.
Yeah.
And then Fostoria, I believe, is having some events downtown there.
Festival kind of thing around the at the Iron Triangle. Yeah. Which we did. We had those in some videos before.
Last summer we were there.
Yeah.
Which I'll put that video.
Yeah, because that was neat. That was a really cool experience and a neat place to see. So, we'll see what they're doing over there today.
Yep.
Yeah.
In the meantime, we're sitting in traffic.
Downtown Fostoria's got all kinds of, I guess, all the businesses, shops, restaurants, everything's open. So they're encouraging all the visiting of doing all they had and checking that out. So we're going to wander around and we'll catch up with you in a bit, hopefully in front of the train.
Car was overheating and we broke down. Went around the corner to try to find some water at the store. Hey, just outside of Reno, listening to the Eagles. So far out and we can't find shade. We'll ride into the sunset and be okay. Came back with the water and drove to stop town. You weren't there. What happened to our party and all that dirty talking? Thought I had it made. Oh, hey, just outside of Reno, listening to the Eagles. You just gotta be on your way. Ride into the sunset and be okay. Hey, it's gonna be alright. Keep my head down.
Up here at the Norfolk Southern Yard. We got to see the big boy train. That was pretty cool.
It was really neat. Yeah.
Kind of inspiration for all this was Ed Dickens. He was kind of hanging out the window, talking, taking questions, which was really cool.
Yeah. The one who started it all.
Yeah, this was his big. Thanks to him, we get to see this.
Yeah, an experience. Wow, what an experience it is. You know, between seeing it running, going through Lakewood when we did about a month ago, and then coming out here to see this.
Getting up close to it.
Yeah, really neat. Yeah. All the train cars you can see behind us. Hopefully I can't see. The sun is bright, but all the way down. A lot of people here, but it's not overly overly crowded because it's such a big area.
They did a good job.
They did an awesome job. Water everywhere. So nice that they're just giving out some freebies, swag bags, and yeah, they did an awesome job setting this whole thing up. And now we're gonna go to Fostoria.
Yeah, head to Fostoria and see what they got going on.
All right.
Flowers in our hair, leave the city behind. Cleaner air and a clear mind, rolling round in the long grass. We won't notice the time pass. Let's get carried away for a while, and we'll stop worrying what the others will say. We don't know them anyway. I'm good living a dream if you're there. We don't need anyone else, just follow the gleam in your eyes. Oh, 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 oh. You've been waiting a long time to get out in the sunshine, and we only get one chance. No rehearsal for this dance. No more gossip and grapevines. No more small talk and deadlines. Yeah, my heart wants to be free. Tell me you're coming with me. Let's get carried away for a while. We'll stop worrying what the shadows will say. We don't know them anyway. I'm good living a dream if you're there. We don't need anything else, just follow the gleam in your eyes. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh.
All right, well, we're finishing up our day here in Fremont. But we had a good time in Fostoria.
We did. It was a hot day.
Traffic was crazy.
But we enjoyed it. I think out of all the people we kept coming across and sitting in traffic and asking us where we were going and what we were doing, we really lucked out because we came in from obviously Cleveland area. I think we ended up coming in the right direction where it wasn't too bad. And we got there about 9 o'clock, which it was supposed to be open to the public from 9 to 3. I think they were letting people in well before that too, though, you could tell. But then, we were there for a while.
Yeah.
We really were. We spent a lot of time there. That was cool. That was neat.
But traffic, I mean, miles in every direction.
Miles.
I guarantee you there's people that didn't get to see it. I know a lot of people
that they were just sitting and waiting in line in cars. And I mean, it was, I don't know what time we left there, 12. It was probably around 12. Because I think we were in the car, I looked at it was 12:15, so we left there probably around 12, and just miles and miles every direction, just cars sitting at least 3 miles out, I would say.
So we got to Fostoria. They're supposed to have shuttle buses, but I think they were all stuck in traffic, so we just moved it.
Yeah, we just walked around.
And it was a little bit of a walk, but
yeah. So we parked at the stadium, and then the football stadium. I'm guessing that's by the high school, I don't know. But we parked at the football stadium. We walked over to the Iron Triangle. So, I mean, it wasn't terrible. You know, we're used to walking, so it wasn't bad. They had some stuff going on there, some food trucks. We had a little snack or some lunch.
Headed over by the town, went to the brewery there,
Urban Woody Brewing Company.
Yeah, they must have really been Ohio State fans.
Yeah.
Urban Meyers, good old Woody. Yeah, so that was where the name came from there. But little place.
Great little brewery.
Drink and moved on. And, we ended up here in Fremont, Ohio, at Tackle Box 2. Little restaurant right here on the Sandusky River. I've been here once before. She hadn't been here, so that's why I wanted to bring her. They're known for their perch. It's fun. It's just a little place.
You can see back there because the sun. I can't see anything, but There's a bunch of stuff all
Yeah.
over. It's cool.
Been to Pickle Bill's. It's kind of like that, just a mini version.
Yeah, neat place. I mean,
Yeah.
so much just cool stuff inside,
Yeah.
fun stuff. So
And
yeah,
on the weekends in the summer, this place is packed. It's hard to get
yeah,
in here.
I bet being right on the water here.
So,
Yeah.
it's time to head home.
Time to head home. We had a great day, hot,
Yep.
but got to see what we wanted to see, and we really enjoyed it. And if you ever get a chance to see that big boy, make sure you do that. But plan accordingly. Get there early. All right, so we'll catch up with you later. Keep it safe in your travels.
Through the mustard of the mayo.
Bye.